So what you can also do is you can go ahead and then loop or trim out music to fit to a scene as necessary right here. So for example, you can see that I got certain scenes right here just like this. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in music to this. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto stock. Then I'm going to go around over here onto music. And let me just go ahead right here and type in bright right here just like this. So once I go around and do that, then what happens is that the music with a similar tone actually comes up. So you can see that a lot of the music are actually quite long, like 1 minute and so forth. And sometimes you may have 1 hour of footage as well. In that case, you can go ahead and repeat the music out as well if you want. So over here, you can see that I simply have this music. Let's say, for instance, I can go ahead and bring it in right here, and I can trim off the music till where I want. Even over here from the left hand side, I can go ahead and trim off the music. And this is how it would sound. So if I were to press the play button, so that is what you have. So let me just go ahead and then select out this music right here and then go around over here onto sound. And then you can go ahead and fade in and fade this out right here. And then what happens is that it'll slowly fade in right here. And then at the end, it'll go ahead and fade out. So that is what you have, as you can see. And what you can also do is, let's say, for example, this is it. This is the music that you have. In that case, you can simply go around over here and duplicate out the music as well, just like this, and even overlap it a bit right here so that it is continuous. So I can go ahead and then press the play button to hear out how that sounds. And that is what you have. Now I can go ahead and repeat this out. So if you have a long footage, let's say, for example, then you can go ahead and overlap it out just like this, as you can see right here. And that is what you have. And then that is how you can trim the music to fit to the scene or loop it out as you need by copying and pasting the audio wave right here just like this inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.